Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaniah, and today's video is going to be on this purple cut crease look. I haven't done a full cut crease in like a long time, so I thought it would be cute just to do a little tutorial on this look for you guys. I really love the way it came out, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off this look by priming my eyelids with my ColourPop concealer. I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place, I said Zuvia, the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, this purple shade. I'm going to be popping that into my crease and really pressing it in because I really want it to be extra pigmented, and that is why I haven't set my concealer, because when you don't set the concealer, the shadows pop so much more. So as you can see, I'm just patting this color in rather than swiping. And then we're going to go in and blend afterwards. And then with that same brush and the same palette, I'm going to take the pink shade and I'm going to pop that right above the purple. Now I'm going to take my Sigma blending E36 brush and I'm going to pick up a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to just deepen up the crease a bit because I need it to be a little bit darker. The purple on that same brush and just blend in with the black so it's not too dark. And I'm just going to use that same ColourPop concealer from before. And we're doing a full cut crease today. I haven't done a full cut crease in such a long time, so today's the perfect day. Okay, and we're not going to set this in place. We're just going to go straight into shimmer. So I'm going to be using a new ColourPop eyeshadow that I've got. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Void G-Biv, I believe, because it has this limited edition packaging. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice pinkish gold undertone shimmer, and it's gorgeous. Now we're done with the shimmer, I'm going to go back into the crease and add just a little bit more black because I want it to be just a little bit darker. I'm going to start off by using this Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner, liquid liner. I'm using this as a base just so I can have a good structure for the liner and then go over top of it with a gel eyeliner. We're almost done. It's time to do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take, what am I gonna take? Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on my lower lash line just so the eyeshadows can stick better. I'm going to take a small detailing brush and I'm going to pick up the purple that we put on our eyes and put that right on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take just a teeny bit of black eyeshadow and just smoke it out a bit more. Now that the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. So let's do it. So for primer today, I'm going to use the Black Up Strobing Primer. This is like all-time favorite and it's literally about to run out. Okay, and then for my T-zone, I'm going to take a little bit of this Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. Now that I have all my primers on my face, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This is like my holy grail foundation for the moment. Like, this is honestly the best foundation that I've used this past year. So we stand, okay, we stand. Okay, now it's time for some concealer. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe to highlight under my eyes today. Then I'm gonna take my Pure Cameo contour stick in the shade Deep to contour my cheeks a bit. I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend this all out. Set my under eye concealer with my RCMA no color powder. I've actually like really started to like this again all of a sudden. I'm just going to go ahead and bronze my face up a bit with my Juvia's Place, the Warrior palette. And I'm going to take these two shades right here to do so. For blush, I'm going to take the Saharan Blush palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to take the shades Tau and Sola. Just a little bit of these two. Okay, so for highlighter today, I'm just going to take a little bit of highlight because I don't want my face to be too bright because I'm kind of over that highlighting thing like I said in my last video. I'm going to take the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette from Juvia's Place and I'm going to take this highlighter shade, these two highlighting shades. I'm just going to go and snatch my face up a bit. I'm going to take this Sigma Spotlight dusting brush. I'm going to line my lips with my Urban Decay. No, I'm not. I'm going to line my lips with my NYX Espresso lip liner. Okay, while I was putting on my lips, the camera cut off. So the lip glosses that I'm wearing today are, I'm wearing the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Flaming Hot, which is like this really nice iridescent purple shade that I got in my December BoxyCharm box. And I'm also wearing the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss in the shade Fireball on top, like in the center, just to give it a little bit more of a pink look to match the eyes. And guys, this is it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below, along with some coupon codes to save you guys some coins. And yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all of Makeupbyshaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.